Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to the latest news to you, so come know about today's major news. Pension of Divyangjans will be made automatic through Parivar Pehchan Patra. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the government has taken an important step towards public welfare and has started Divyangjan Pension Seva Tau Se Pucho WhatsApp app What Seva. With this initiative, the direction of good governance through e-governance, the people of the state will become more digitally empowered and will communicate through chatbot and ask for solutions to their problems. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the government is committed to providing public welfare schemes at their doorstep. Moving forward in the direction of automated schemes, the government has decided to give the benefits of automated pension to persons with disabilities. PWD, the government has also taken steps towards making the pension automatic by linking Divyang pension with Parivar Pehchan Patra. The relevant data of Divyangas verified as more than 60% in the family information data will be certified by the Haryana Family Identity Authority every month. After verification, the data of all such Divyangjans found eligible will be shared with the services department as per as eligibility criteria set by the scheme. He informed that district officer of the services department will visit these citizens to take their consent to start the pension. Pension of all Divyangjans who give consent will be started from next month. The government has also launched a web-based chatbot solution as well as a WhatsApp bot called Tau Se Pucho on the meraparivar.haryana.gov.in portal. The Deputy Commissioner informed that in today's digital, as it is a very difficult task to answer various conventions of a huge number of citizens. To solve this, the Haryana Family Identity Authority has created a web-based chatbot solution as well as a WhatsApp bot called Tau Se Pucho. The WhatsApp bot called Tau Se Pucho integrated with the WhatsApp will answer the questions of the citizens immediately. It will be easily accessible to all and citizens will be able to communicate on WhatsApp app from the confirmed comfort of the homes. NMBA-RD's Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme provides better employment. Loan is available for 7 years. Loan repayment moratorium period is 2 years. Better means of employment can be established through the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme launched by the Government of India through NMBA-RD. Under the scheme, the concerned person gets a loan of up to 2 crore rupees for a maximum period of 7 years, which also includes a loan repayment moratorium period of the 2 years. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund scheme is being implemented in the state by Haryana and the central government, under which loans are provided on grants for various types of projects. Under this scheme, loans are provided for identify workers related to agriculture. He informed that under the scheme, agriculture entrepreneurs, startups, self-help groups, former producer organizations, joint liability groups, primary agriculture credit societies, marketing cooperative societies, and cooperative unions can avail loan facilities. Samadhan camps are important in resolving the complaints of government departments. The burden of complaints coming to various government departments is being reduced by the Samadhan camps being organized on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. Through these Samadhan camps, the common people are getting quick and effective solutions to their various types of problems. On Thursday, a Samadhan camp was organized under the chairmanship of SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sangwan. He said that the Samadhan camps are moving forward with daily review, in which officers from various departments of the district are present. It is clear from the daily review in the Samadhan camps that the burden of complaints in the departments is decreasing. Quick action is being taken on the grievances of the public in these Samadhan camps. He said that the administration is alert to listen to the problem of the complaints in the Samadhan camps and get them resolved on the spot. A block level rural women sports competition will be organized on 17 January in the premises of SCR school with the courtesy of Women Child Development Project Office, and in which rural women in the age group of 70 and 30 participate in 5 kilometer cycle race, 300 meter race, 400 meter race, and 100 meter race. Discus throw and musical chair will be organized for women about 30 years. Women willing to participate in this competition can register their names in the SCR school premises on 17 January. All women will have to submit a copy of birth certificate, photocopy of class 10th certificate, or photocopy of Aadhaar card as a proof while registering their names. Women coming first, second, and third in this competition will be given initiative prizes. Dadri Rohtak Road will change its phase. Work will start by March. Sangwan. Government gave Dadri Rohtak Road the status of status highway. Traders worth in 54.67 crore. BJP's Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that the Haryana government has given the status of state highway to the Charkhi Dadri Rohtak main road. Along with this dilapidated road will be made new. The government had recently approved the construction of the highway, and the Public Works Department has floated the tender for the renovation of this road to be built at a cost of about 7.67 crore. It is expected the construction of this road will start in March this year. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that during the assembly elections he had promised the people to renovate the Dadri Rohtak road as soon as he became an MLA. He met Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini and discussed about the Dadri Rohtak road on the instructions of the CM. The budget was immediately released by the government. The MLA said that about a 25-kilometer long 7-meter road from Dadri to village Bonkala will be renovated, and the width of road in the villages will be up to 10 meter. For this, blocks will be installed on the sides and drains will also be constructed. The MLA said that the concerned department has issued tenders worth 54 crore 67 lakh 41 हजार for this 25-kilometer long road. It is the expanded. The work will start in the month of March. Thank you for tuning into our news today. We truly appreciate your support for our channel and it means a lot to us. For this of you who haven't not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our updates. Stay connected with us for all the latest news and keep supporting our journey. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Take care.